Let's spin a disc.
Major ones, there's like we've got like we've got many artists, but like the young ones listen to like two major ones. There's like a guy called Winky D and there's a guy called Jah Prayzah. So I want you to listen to two of them and tell me who you think is better.
Okay.
Yeah. So play that one. That is
Winky D.
Yeah.
Winky D.
Mukudzeyi.
With Gemma Griffiths.
Yeah.
She sounds Irish. English. No.
What do you think?
They're not going to kill the chicken, are they?
Just watch the video.
Oh, I like that. I like that.
Anyway, so you've
I
listened.
fancy her. She doesn't like me.
Can you pause that for a second, please?
Is there another snake? The turkey.
Can you pause that for a second?
Mm.
Okay, so you've listened to Winky D and you've listened to Jah Prayzah.
Yeah.
So what do you think? Would you like
Jah
Prayzah?
Jah Prayzah. I don't like Winky D.
No.
Winky D is
Well, let me
crap.
play another song for you from Winky.